Let's sing, dance, and explore the world of letters together on the alphabet. Kid songs!
Starlight Adventure. In a cozy bed where dreams take flight, a child named Mia slept soundly at night. As her eyes closed under the moon's soft gleam, she drifted away to a magical dream. A whispering breeze, as soft as a sigh, lifted Mia gently into the sky. Higher and higher, she soared with delight to a place where the stars shone dazzling bright. "Welcome, dear Mia," a voice called out. From a star named Polaris, brave and stout. Tonight's adventure is special and grand. We'll explore the constellations, hand in hand. First, they traveled to Orion's grand belt, where the hunter's strength could be felt. "Orion," said Mia, "what can you teach? Bravery and courage are within your reach." Next, they visited Cassiopeia's throne, a queen in the sky, with stars brightly shone. "Cassiopeia," asked Mia, "what's your lore? Confidence and grace will open any door." Then to the great bear, Ursa Major, they flew, with the little bear, Ursa Minor, in view. The bears, Mia learned, with their comforting light, guide lost travelers through the night. They sailed to Pegasus, the flying horse, whose wings of stardust charted their course. "Pegasus," Mia wondered, "what's your tale? Imagination's power can never fail." Through the shimmering sky, to Draco they went, the dragon whose form in the heavens is bent. "Draco," Mia said, "what do you impart? Patience and wisdom reside in your heart." Their journey took them to Cygnus, the swan, graceful and poised, gliding on. "Cygnus," Mia inquired, "what's your advice? Seek peace within. It is beyond all price." Finally, they met with the twins, Castor and Pollux. Together they shone, bright as any two galaxies. "Gemini," Mia mused, "what can you say? Friendship and unity light up the way." As the night began to fade away, Polaris led Mia back to where she lay. "Remember, dear child, the stars' gentle glow, their stories and wisdom will help you grow." Mia snuggled close, under the moon's soft beam, her heart filled with magic from the night's dream. She'd learned from the stars, so wise and so bright, to be brave, kind, and follow the light. So, when you sleep and dreams take flight, look to the stars in the quiet night. Their stories and wisdom are yours to unfold in the magical dreams and adventures they hold. Good night, little one. Let your dreams take flight with the constellations shining so bright.